Ariston's latest portable air conditioner. No external unit required. No installation needed. Only 1 GJB consumed in 8 hours. Provides both cooling and heating. Cools down within 10 minutes. Covers up to 200 square meters. No external unit needed. Portable, quick heating. Usable year-round. Built-in air purification and circulation. No discomfort even with prolonged use. Cool breeze in summer. Warm air in winter. Energy efficient. Suitable for homes, factories and dormitories. Many counterfeit products on the market. Do not purchase them. We are the only official online store. First 20 orders receive 5 years of after-sales service free.